I suppose growing up in the late 70s, early 80s in inner city Dublin, times were dark and depressing. Primary school was just one of those places where you felt really happy and really safe and really comfortable, and that was because of people like Nora Duffy. As a teacher, she was incredibly warm, incredibly funny, and she kind of instilled in you this belief that you could do what you wanted to do, which was quite powerful for a child to experience. When I was probably in 5th or 6th class, there would be queues of people coming in to see her on Wednesdays, and they were all past pupils that were coming back to see her. And even adults would call in, people who had been taught by her in the 60s and 70s. I became a graphic designer when I left college, but then I went back when I was about 26 and trained to be a teacher. She was always someone I wanted to emulate. Like, I wanted to be another Nora Duffy. I wanted to have that same kind of impact. I wanted to have that same kind of bond or rapport with the children. Isn't there a saying that a teacher's influence never ends? It just keeps going and going and going. My love of Irish, my love of politics, my love of history, where did those come from? It kind of began in Nora Duffy's classroom in East Wall in the early 1980s. So yeah, she's been incredibly influential.